Sergeant Nick Colby and his wife Hamina are on a mission to find a perfect place to call home at their new duty station. Will Hamina's desire for a trendy downtown apartment with lots of amenities become a reality? Or will they opt for the charm of a cozy suburban house with a nice backyard, like the one Nick has in mind? Find out now on this episode of Home Buying HQ. Nick and Hamina have only been in town for a couple of days and already feel at home.
Yeah, it's great to be back in the States.
Awesome. Glad you guys made it in okay.
Yeah, we've just been exploring a bit. Oh, and we had a good meeting with the base housing rep this morning.
That's good to hear you have that as an option. You're still thinking off base this time though, right?
Hi, Janelle. You've got it right. Living on base the last few years has been great, but we really want to try something different this time. Any chance you can find us a rooftop condo overlooking downtown?
Okay, you two. I heard rooftop condo yesterday, but that's probably not in the budget. So, tell me how much you want to spend and what you're looking for.
I'll go first. My BH is $1,800 per month, but we're okay going a little bit higher for the right place. I mean, I picture a cozy suburban home, big backyard, for weekend barbecues and football on Sundays. I mean, we've been talking about getting a dog, so pet friendly is important to us.
Okay, and what about neighbors?
I'm personally done with having neighbors above and below us and would really like some privacy. Plus, it's an easier commute to work from the suburbs, which is important to me.
Got it. Mina, what's on your list?
Well, Janelle, one of my superpowers is budgeting, and I think we should limit our rent to $1,600 per month to give a little extra for other things like going out.
Makes sense.
I want to be where the action is, downtown. We're only here for 18 months, so I want to experience everything city life has to offer. To me, that means an apartment or condo with no yard work and something within walking distance to shops and restaurants. Also, we love working out together, so an on-site gym and pool would be great.
Why did I get into real estate? Just kidding. I have something in mind for each of you. Why don't we go have a look at them?
Let's do
Let's
this.
do it.
While their wish lists seem at odds with each other, Nick and Amina have actually done a really good job in identifying key decision points when choosing a rental. They've considered budget, lifestyle, location, neighborhood, amenities, pet policies, and even commute to work. Now comes the tough part.
Nice. All this needs is a grill and a patio set.
It's perfect for football weekends.
How far away is the base?
So you'll be roughly 15 minutes from work and only 20 minutes from downtown life.
Oh, that's great. Honestly, I really like this house, so maybe living in the burbs wouldn't be too bad.
Sounds like Jimena's warming up to the idea of renting a house. Right this way. So, I'm glad you both like this home, but let's talk money. What do you think this place rents for each month?
$2,200?
$1,900?
Actually, it rents for $1,800 per month.
Wow, right on budget. Great job, Janelle.
But there are a few important items from my wish list this place is missing.
That's right, Hamina, and that's a great segue to a few other financial things to think about, in addition to just the rent.
The cozy suburban house will require Nick and Hamina to budget for a gym membership, since this neighborhood doesn't have a fitness center or community pool. The owner of this property requires a credit check and security deposit of $3,600. Nick and Hamina will be responsible for lawn care and basic home maintenance. And finally, they should consider purchasing a renter's insurance policy to protect their belongings.
Welcome to the downtown oasis.
Look, all new appliances and finishes. Just beautiful. And there's a community gym, which is perfect for us.
First, let's discuss rent. This place rents for $1,600 per month. But there are a few other things to keep in mind.
The downtown oasis requires an application fee, a pet deposit, and a security deposit. Parking is also a challenge, so the complex offers parking spaces for $100 per month. Nick's commute will also be longer, at 30 to 45 minutes each way. And finally, Nick and Hamina should also consider a renter's insurance policy to protect their belongings.
Good morning, you two. I am so excited to hear your thoughts on the two homes we saw yesterday.
It was a difficult decision. But in the end, it was a team decision and one we are both happy about.
Okay, so I'm dying to hear, which place are you going to call home? The cozy house in the suburbs or the trendy downtown apartment?
We choose the